In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Telemetry Copilot safely. If you want to reduce the amount of optional data your Windows system sends back, this is a simple setting you can adjust in just a moment. This process is safe, quick, and easy to follow, and it can help improve your sense of privacy without affecting the basic operation of your computer. What we're doing here is turning off optional diagnostic data, which is the extra information Windows may collect to help improve features and services. We're not changing anything advanced, and we're not editing system files or using any third-party tools. To get started, open Windows Settings. You can do that by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by using the keyboard shortcut if that's faster for you. Once you're inside the Settings window, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This area contains a lot of the controls related to permissions, data collection, and how Windows handles information in the background. After you open Privacy and Security, scroll until you find Diagnostics and Feedback, then click into it. This is the section where Windows shows you its diagnostic data options. These settings control whether the system sends only required diagnostic information or whether it also sends optional diagnostic data that can include more detailed usage and device information. Now in the Diagnostic Data section, find the option labeled Send Optional Diagnostic Data. If that setting is currently turned on, go ahead and switch it off. That's the key step in this process. By turning that option off, you're limiting Windows to the required diagnostic data only instead of allowing additional optional information to be shared. And that's it. Once the toggle is off, the change is applied right away, so there's usually nothing else you need to save or confirm. This is one of the easiest ways to make a small but meaningful privacy adjustment in Windows. As a quick tip, after changing this setting, you can stay in the same area and review the surrounding options if you want a better understanding of what Windows is collecting and why. Even if you don't change anything else, it's useful to know where these controls are in case you want to revisit them later. That's all for this guide. If you followed along, you've successfully disabled optional diagnostic data in Windows safely and in just a few clicks.